Hello everyone, meeting you all after a long time. Hope you all are doing very well. So, today I wanted to talk a little bit about the language that we use to talk to ourselves and to talk to everyone around us. So, I've noticed that the way we talk to ourselves is exactly the same way we talk to everyone around us. So, if I'm being harsh towards myself, or if I carry a lot of labels towards myself, I generally tend to perceive everyone around me with those same labels, and then I interact with them with the same labels and the same perceptions. We don't go back and check as to how we spoke to someone or how we spoke to ourselves in the entire day. I think it's important that we start keeping a track of how we are talking to someone or how we are talking to ourselves. You cannot take back what you said to someone, you cannot change how they felt after you said something to someone. But we can be aware of how we are interacting with people or and ourselves. It's actually easy to say thank you and sorry, but we rarely use these words. And whenever we use them, they're so casual. We don't say thank you from the bottom of our heart, we just say it very casually. The same goes with sorry. So if I'm saying sorry to someone, it it means that I will choose not to repeat the same thing again. But we generally say sorry without any meaning to it, without telling the other person why we are sorry and what we are sorry for. The same goes with thank you. It's also easy to be grateful for the life that we have, the day that I've got, the people that I have in my life. And when we are ungrateful, we tend to be rude, blunt, harsh towards ourselves and to everyone around us. Um, it's actually easy to be grateful as well. There are so many things that we can be grateful for in a single day that we spend. We also forget to be grateful for the people that we have, and when we are not grateful towards them, we don't consider that they might also have had a bad day, maybe, or there is something going on in their life. And then we interact with them with the assumptions that we hold about them without clarifying things. So if I'm grateful, I can be more compassionate. I can talk to myself and everyone with a lot of love in it. And if I'm not, then my language expression is dry. Least interested types, maybe. So it's easy to be grateful. We need to check, are we really grateful? Or we just tell ourselves that yes, no, I'm grateful for this life. But how do we really know that we're grateful? We'll get to know with the way we talk to people, with ourselves. Can we be humble? Yes. Can we be humble while we are talking to someone? Yes, we can. We need to ask, how many times have I been humble in the day when I'm talking to someone? Even if I wish to confront something to someone, can I do it politely? Yes. How many times do we choose to be polite to someone? If we actually choose to be grateful, if we can say sorry and thank you to people, with ease and with meaning if we actually be humble towards people. Connecting with each other would be easy. Expressing with an open heart would be easy. Sharing would be easy. Understanding each other would be easy. And I think if we actually choose this every single day, there won't be any miscommunications, misunderstandings within each other. So instead of regretting later of what we said, can we choose every single day of our life? Can we choose to be humble, polite, compassionate towards people, towards ourselves? So think about it. And I hope even you choose to be compassionate, humble, grateful, and check how many times do you really say thank you and sorry with meaning to it, and not repeating what you said, or not repeating the choices that you made when you said sorry to someone. So think about it and do let me know what you feel.